Bonjour. Bienvenue. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to this channel. Well, today, guys, I'm going to test this kind of product. So, this disclaimer: this is not sponsored video, and we will be testing the Bissell brand. So again, disclaimer, this is not a sponsored video. So guys, I will be showing you now how it works and also the effect on the floor. So stay tuned. First, we will be, since this is an electric machine, so obviously we need to charge. So if you would like to buy this kind of machine, guys, be mindful. Where's my machine? Sorry, guys. My camera is very far. So that's where I charge. So I'll be showing you. I hope it will be obvious if you could see the floor. So again, guys, this is my first time. So this is a test of this machine. So I'm not very particular how it works, everything, but I will be showing you the effect of the floor. So far, this is what I learned last night, the button. 2 buttons here we have to, if you want to do the rugs and dry floor. Yeah? So rugs and dry floor. So this is how it works for the moment. So on, button on, button on. Hang on, hard floor. Yeah. So just press and before that, before you use this one, guys, obviously there were some manual instructions that we need to follow. So before using the machine, make sure you know how it works. Check the manual instructions, and obviously here there is water, because this will clean up what we call the wet and dry floor, or we don't need a mop to do it. It's like it will erase the vacuum and manual mopping of the floor. So this is 2 in 1, yeah, 2 in 1, and we will move that one. And also, which one? Yeah. My husband says I need to attach the wire here because it is quite long, so it should be embedded on this part, guys. Can't you see it? So there were some portion here that we need to attach. So insert it to avoid distraction when you move the machine. So okay, so for now we are not using the rug. So we are using the hard floor. So we will press the hard floor button. So can't you see there is a map already there? There is a water here. And there's a level that you have to make sure that up to that level only, and you will not go beyond that. And I will show you now. So here, press the button. And put down. So, and to see and press. And there's a button here. And there's a button here at the bottom part that you need to press to let the water out to the floor. So again, press, and you can see the water will come out. So just for the sake of the video, guys, it's not easy to hold to the camera and the thing. So I will be showing you the difference. So that part, the right side part here, it's not done, and this part is done. So we will see the effect and the difference. Can't you see, guys? So there's a mark of the water on that side, and here is dry. So it's a vacuum and a mop in one. The only thing, guys, I have noticed that the you know the in between here, you cannot just expect that it will be like clean at once right away, but not bad so far. So write your comment down there, guys. What's your opinion about this product? And so far, just fine for me, although the only thing I notice is the mark in between. It's not really like taking out the dust in between, but so far not bad. It cleans the floor in seconds, one move. It's just fine. So can you see? So this is quite helpful in our house. Okay, so that's it for today's video. So look, my little friend here. So this is it. So I will try to continue a little bit harder. So this one is playable, look. So there were more to discover in this machine because this is my first time.